Good morning. I am Alex. I am the head of insurance and banking at SATEC and the CEO of Topace. SATEC is a consultant integrator offering you a complete portfolio of solutions. What is Topace? Topace is a financial hub that allows virtual banks, commercial banks, and fintech banks as a services. Let's talk about security. JDANet acts as our trusted third party to certificate all the operations. Let's see how it works.
Thank you, Alex. Hello, I'm Cisco Sapena from JDA.net. I am the executive director and president of JDA.net. JDA.net is a telecom operator that is very specialized in providing and registering telecommunications. Let's say that many times you need to prove what you have sent or what you have received from your customer, the contracts you have sent, the conditions, and the specific acceptance from that customer. Because basically, in this business, we have three bosses, okay? The first one, obviously, is the shareholder. If you don't earn money, well, I am the executive director, and I'm going to become the executive director. The second is the customer. If we don't offer good products, customers are not going to come, and again, I'm going to be the executive director. And a hidden one that usually nobody explains, but we have to follow, which usually are the regulators, okay? Because most of the times when appears problems, that customers become consumers. And the consumer is always right, even when he's lying. So you have to prove that that consumer is lying. And when a problem appears, you have to show it everything. And especially now, well, fintechs and our industry is on fashion. Obviously, have big audience here, okay? And what it's on fashion is basically the enrollment, know your customer, okay? And in Europe, and in country where I live, the regulators requires a video of the enrollment of your customer, okay? So it's not only taking pictures. You need something more, because the regulator had decided to translate everything from the counter to your computer. And what we have done for them, we created the RIU, okay? It is the Remote Identification Unit, okay? Basically, it creates a video stream between your computer, between your handset, and the server. And we start recording, and we take the pictures from the video stream. But what is good from the RIU, it's what is behind. Because obviously, we wish to provide the service for as many countries as possible, but there are many different regulations. And in some countries, an agentless could be very useful. And in others, you need a post-approval. Or even, in other countries, you need a real agent that interacts with your new customer. Here, we have some examples. And here, for example, I have one positive. We have three modes: agentless, with post-approval, and with agent. We have the video stream. We take photos from that video streams, and finally, we generate a certificate from ourselves as a telecom operator. And that certificate, you're able to present it to the regulator in the case that there's any problem. Here, we have the video. We take snapshots of that video. And finally, what we have is the certificate of Lleida.net as a telecom operator with everything included. The photographs, the results of the verification of the ID, even the location of the IPs where that customer comes, and in case that there's any problem, you might present that certificate to your regulator. Takes a little too time. Well, here you have the ePDF with the ID validation results, the client information, geolocation. This customer is coming from Panama. And here, all the details from their certificate. It was positive, and the photographs, when it's downloaded. Here, have it. Of the ID, and everything is included into the document. With the ID validation results, you may use your own engine or use third-party engine, no problem. And everything. So in any case, or in the case that there's any problem, you may forward that certificate to your regulator. Thank you very much.